500 in traffic, CC West.
Go ahead and stay in the vehicle for me. Go ahead and stay in the vehicle for me. There's a traffic stop. Stay in the vehicle.
I'm right here off of Highway 50 and
It's Regency right there.
Huh?
This is CC Food Mart. I think the address is 1011 West Highway 50.
West Highway 50.
Do me a favor and could you go ahead and get off the phone real quick? We'll do our business and then be on your way, ma'am.
I'm listening.
Okay. Do you got your driver's license and insurance on the vehicle? The reason I stopped the vehicle is the registration's almost been expired for about a year now. Were you aware of that?
No, I haven't been aware, but I've been trying to get this mug.
Could you go ahead and hand me that plastic bag that looked like a little bit of weed in there? And your purse, ma'am?
What about it?
Just hand it to me real quick.
Why?
Because I saw it. That gives me probable cause.
Probable cause for what?
We can do this easy way or hard way. I'll work with you if you work with me, okay? Is that all it is? Thank you. You got your driver's license and insurance on the vehicle? Can I see your ID real quick? And do you have insurance on it, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Should show up.
Do you have an app or anything on your phone by chance?
No.
Said no? Do me a favor, whenever you find it, just give me a thumbs up and I'll come and check it out, okay? Find it, Miss Gilbert? Okay, that's been expired for over a year. Do you have anything?
That's an old one, but it's the same thing.
Can you pull up a Geico app on your policy or get policy on your phone or anything?
No, it's through my mom. My mom is on the phone.
See if she could get you a copy of it and send it to you.
I don't, the original copy, the new copy is at home, but you can still run it and it's up to date.
You're supposed to have a valid card on your account.
I don't have a card.
Is your mom looking for a valid one?
Huh?
Is your mother looking for a valid insurance card by chance?
No, my mom had. Mom, send it to me.
Right, hang tight, I'll be back with you in a sec. Let me know if you find one, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because in the state of Illinois, even though it's legal recreationally, it still has to be in an odorless, sealed.
It is odorless.
No, it is not. I saw it though.
You saw it, but you didn't.
Yeah, that's called probable cause. It's still illegal to possess, and if you're going to have it in the state of Illinois, it has to be in the container you get it from in the dispensary. It has to be sealed still and odorless and childproof.
So, I'm not a child. Ain't nobody in it.
It doesn't matter. By state statute, you have to. It has to be in the sealed container.
You just take it.
Yeah, it's being seized at this point.
No, just send it to me.
Actually, go ahead and step out for me real quick, okay?
For what?
Just step out and we'll talk out here.
For what?
Because I am allowed to direct you to step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
But what is the purpose?
Because you're going to be placed under arrest for driving on a suspended driver's license.
How?
Your license is suspended. I'll explain that all out of the vehicle. Come on. Come on. Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
Mom,
step out of the vehicle. I'm not trying to get you any extra charges. Just step out.
I'm getting arrested for a license suspension.
Ms. Gilbert, step out of the vehicle.
I am.
Come on, let's go.
You don't have to touch me.
Well, then step out.
I am.
Are you trying to get obstruction charges?
No, you
then
just
step
told
out.
me to do something.
Then step out.
You just told me to do something.
Ms. Gilbert,
right?
I am trying to work with you as much as I possibly can.
You just told me to do something, right? He just told me to do something.
Man, you need to step out.
Just step out of the vehicle. Go ahead and set your phones up on top of the vehicle.
You just told me to do something.
Set your phones on top of the vehicle.
Mom.
I'm trying to work with you as much as I possibly can. Ms. Gilbert.
Hold on, I'm fin too.
Relax.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. No, you making it. I'm not, because he putting his hands on me. You just told me to do something. I can't even do it. Let me go. Let me go. You detaining me.
Relax.
You're like,
No.
you're being placed under arrest. You're not being
Because I'm
detained.
saying.
You're being placed under arrest.
They don't get broke. They don't get broke.
I cannot do that. Look, I will relax if you just.
Then let go of the phone. Please let go of the phone. You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going nowhere.
You're going in jail.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Like,
Relax.
don't worry about it.
You can still talk to her right
No, that's disrespectful. Y'all can't detain me and put
You're not being detained. You're being placed under arrest.
But y'all can't put your hands on me. Y'all just telling me to do a direct order and y'all telling me to do otherwise, but then y'all put your hands on me. That's not right.
Relax. Relax, okay? Relax.
Let go my finger.
Relax.
Damn, why you bending my finger?
Relax.
Well, tell him to let go my finger.
You need to relax so we could get the handcuffs
He
on you.
can put the handcuffs on me without you there grabbing my finger like
Ms.
that.
Gilbert,
Let
is there
me
anything
go.
else?
Shut my door, please.
Well, everything on you I need to know about? Anything in the
Shut
vehicle?
my door, please, and thank you.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes, I need my purse.
Relax.
Don't keep walking towards the car.
Okay, shut my door. Shut my door.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
They not shutting my door. That's what I'm saying.
We're not going to leave your car door open.
Clearly.
Relax.
Then why are you grabbing me like
you're
this?
tense.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Miss Gilbert.
Let me go.
Have a seat in there.
No, let me go.
What's in his pocket?
Cause it hurts.
Relax.
Then let me go. I can't relax if you holding me like this.
Get in the vehicle.
Let me go.
Get in the vehicle.
Okay, let me go. I got it. Damn.
Get in the vehicle.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I don't like police officers. This is exactly why they treat y'all the way they treat y'all.
Because you can't listen to
No, because you
instructions.
disrespectful. You can't listen
I asked you
to it.
polite numerous times.
No, you didn't. No, you did not. How you gonna tell somebody to do a direct order and you ain't
You tell him I got her in custody. And while I'm getting her, she's getting her ID out, she pulls a bag of weed out of her purse. Registration's been expired almost a year.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I stopped her. Insurance card's been expired for over a year.
Is it suspended for mandatory?
Nope. It's a Missouri plate. She just does it as a suspended out of Missouri. She's suspended out of Missouri. I can still write her on the suspended, can I?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
You can write the plate suspended. She's suspended.
No, the plate's not suspended, it's just
Or,
expired.
I mean, you can write her. You can write her ticket for registration expired. She's suspended. There's a ticket. Your driver in possession of adult use conviction.
Yeah. Should get her for obstruction too, or resisting. I don't want to deal with it. You got enough air back there? You want the air on? Okay.